potential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit.